Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's skip the introduction and continue the question series. So, starting with the very first question of this lecture, or 37th question, the state word of Uttar Pradesh is. The answer is Saras crane. Saras crane is the state word of the Uttar Pradesh. Right. Next, biodiversity hotspot in India are located in. The answer here is Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas. These both are rich in biodiversity. They have rich endemic fauna as well as flora. Next, keystone species. They exert impact disproportionate to their abundance. Okay, so keystone species, although they are few in number, but their impact is very large. Disproportionate. Next question, high level of endemism is a characteristic feature of. The answer here is island. Why is it so? Due to their isolation. And what is endemism? Species that exist only in specific region. Right? Next question, the coordinated interaction in the construction of organs why one group of cell changing the behavior of an adjacent set of cell is known as induction. This group of cell is called inducer and it is changing the behavior of responder. Right? So the process is induction. Next, proteins secreted by a cell or a group of cells that alter the behavior or process of differentiation of adjacent cell are called as. The answer is paracrine factors. Right? Autocrine factor means say this cell secreting a protein. The effect of this protein is on this cell itself. Endocrine factors say hormones. They have to travel. Say anterior pituitary gland is here, but the gonads are here. So these are endocrine factors. And paracrine factors, they stimulate the behavior of adjacent जो साथ में होंगे उन cells का. ठीक है. Next question. A labial phase when a cell or tissue is placed in neutral environment follows a particular path of differentiation is termed as. The answer is conditional specification. Next question. Second, what is conditional specification? It means cell fate is determined. Cell fate is determined by either position and interaction with neighboring cells. Next question. The ability of cell to achieve their respective fate of differentiation by interaction with other cell is known as. The answer is again conditional specification. Next question. A cytoplasm that contains many nuclei is called as syncytium. A syncytium is a multinucleated cell. These are nuclei, multinucleated cell, where karyokinesis occurring, but there is no division of outer cell membrane. Next question. Cortical granule reaction seen in sea urchin eggs help in blocking polyspermy. This is a slower block of polyspermy or slower mechanical block. What happens? There are cortical granules under the vitelline membrane, and after the fertilization occurs, these cortical granules push this vitelline membrane and they create a perivitelline space. And this perivitelline space, it blocks polyspermy. Next question. The molecule which act as releaser of calcium from intracellular compartments for activation of egg metabolism is. The answer is inositol 1,4,5-phosphate. This is also known as IP3. So this molecule is act as calcium releaser. Next question. Zona glycoproteins 1, 2, 3 of mouse are present in. The answer here is egg surface. These all glycoproteins are present on the egg surface. Next question. Prior to sperm entry, the mature oocyte completes. We know very well second meiotic division shedding two polar bodies. Okay. At time of ovulation, the egg is halted at secondary oocyte stage. Secondary oocyte stage means there is no second meiotic division had occurred. Next question. Interning of cell sheet over the vessel surface of an outer layer during embryonic development is called. The answer is involution. Involution. So I will discuss another question in next part. Thank you.